Hi everyone, this is me, Spirit Vasquez of Lendarvic Fashion, and for today's session, I'll be sharing with you on how to cut the fabric for this design of uniform, the one which I adjusted or I duplicated that size and turned to another design. But this time there are pockets on both sides. There is collar starting from here, goes to this area, okay? And I'm gonna adjust this part. It's not coming to this one because the design is having like a straight mark here. And use this pen like this. I saw from the design that it's coming like this, so I'm not going to follow this green one, but I need to follow this blue one. And this part I need to adjust here also, the dark part, because it must be curved a little here. It will be stitched going to this area, and the pocket will be inserted to the dark. Okay, now let's begin. One thing I'm going to share with you is on how you are going to position your pattern on top of your fabric. I'm going to make this area straight, this one. Okay, now we're going to measure 3 3/4 inches from the edge of this fabric, which will serve as the facing. There, 3 3/4. Okay, then connect these two marks. Okay, there, here. Then place your pattern paper this way, so all sides must be checked like this. I am sorry because this area I forgot to cut before when I adjusted. Supposedly this is the part for the back, but I'm gonna cut it now to avoid confusion. Okay, so there. I just want to correct, which I made last time. I forgot to cut that part. Okay, now I already cut. Okay, just place your pattern on top of your fabric this way. Okay, and then you see that there is still allowance here, at least 1 inch here. And then you have to pin it. Pin. Okay, then trace the side, this or all the outer part. Okay, here, then this one, and then the collar will come here. This is the starting point of the collar. Okay, there. You have to get the pocket mark. And then this area, this one is straight, so you're just going to trace it this way. This is the allowance for the fabric, but when you cut, you're going to leave an allowance of 1/2 inch here. Okay, now we are going to put the mark here for the pocket. Just do it this way if you don't have tracing wheel or tracing paper. I told the one who requested this topic that I'm going to measure this pocket, this one, for the design. It's like 7/8, measurement of 7/8, and until here. Okay, must be there. Okay, And then you are going to transfer the marks for the dart. Okay, here. Actually, it's like I prefer this one rather than using tracing wheel or tracing paper. There. But the tracing wheel and tracing paper is more accurate than this one. But it's okay. Okay, there. I took that mark. See, this one must be emphasized. This one, okay. Actually, there is piping here. I'll check this. I just want to clarify or to correct the pattern which I made before. There is like a mistake of taking that one. I followed the armhole for the back. I need to correct it. This part will be omitted or it will be removed. But I can see now the difference for the back and for the front. Now you are going to remove this part, okay? Because this is back armhole. Now I place this pattern for the first blouse. I am sorry, but I need to correct it. Okay, so we need to remove this now. Okay. Okay, there. Now you're going to follow this. There. Okay, so this is now wrong. I didn't see that when I was adjusting or when I adjusted this part. I was confused with the back and the front. Now it's the same, you see. Okay, sorry. Here, okay, we're going to transfer this mark also. There. Okay, so this is now your front. So this is cancelled. Okay, now in cutting it, you're going to leave 1 inch here and cut along this line. Okay, cut this part here and leave 3/8 there, going here. Okay, and then here is 1 inch, this part is 3/8, here is 1 inch, and this part is 1/2 inch. Okay, there, then here 1/2 inch. Okay, now you are going to transfer all the marks to the other side. The reason why I didn't cut like this, okay, because when you fold this one, it must follow this shape. Okay, like this. Okay, like this one. Okay, and it will reach this part. So it must reach this one. It must cover this. Okay, you will see when we make the collar the benefit of or the importance of this part. Okay, now let's proceed with the back. Before I place the pattern this way, now I'm going to place the back this way. Okay, but if you have a big material, then you can do this way also. Okay, but if big sizes of your clients, then you are going to adjust or to place your pattern for the back opposite direction of the front. Okay, and then you see that there are fabrics here still white. You are going to adjust your crease here or the center fold this way. Then you cut. Here is 3/8. Here is 1 inch. 3/8. Then here is 1 inch. Here is 1/2 inch. Then you transfer all the marks to the other side. Okay, this is now your back. I'm going to double fold it. Okay, now this is your front. Okay, when I put X, it means this is the front. Leave here 1/2 inch. One inch here. Then here is 3/8. Then transfer all marks to the other side. Now I'm gonna put a notch here to be easily determine which one is front and which one is back. Okay, there. Okay, you see, one is bigger. So if you wish to request other designs to be made or to be drafted, then you are going to leave your comments below, and I'll be happy to share with you on how to drop the pattern, or on how to cut, or on how to do it. Okay, here, and please leave your comments below, and please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my videos. Okay,